What's up, YouTube? I'm back. See the cars at my shop, actually at my job. So we're gonna be installing these struts right here. We're replacing them with the Truheart. Looks pretty good. I'm also taking the spacers all the way off, so all the spacers around the whole car coming off. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Tomorrow we're gonna be installing the wire harness, which would be a different video. And so yeah, right now we're going to be installing this strut, tomorrow wire harness, and then as well the same day we're going to be doing the bags. So I'm going to get to it, take all this crap off. So wish me luck. Alright, so we're going to take out these two screws right here. They're two 12s and 17 right here. Come on. We're going to be using a cheat tool.
Fucking impact.
A shitty ass impact. But not too much speed, dog.
Alright, let me lower.
Lower that bitch. God damn.
That's one.
Fuck that bolt. Get in there, get in there. Oh, don't strip it. Hold up.
Wait, I don't think
it's in.
Wait, let me. It is.
It's 12, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Matter of fact, watch, I'm bored right now.
Nah, but you can watch.
I got the customers at cashier, but man, I can't do shit.
We're going to get this. Fuck that tire. No. We're gonna have to use a. We're gonna use a breaker bar here and a gun there. Alright, you hold that bitch. And you're gonna do the other side if you want. Oh! Right. There's content right here, you know that? Holy shit. Oh, that? The nut is still on there. Oh, actually, we need to do that. Whatever.
Why?
All right, so now we're gonna yank that bitch. Yank it down. Yank it down.
Down?
Yeah, yank it down.
I didn't have to yank it.
We actually matched it up with this factory strut because if we were to do it, it would be way too low. And yeah, so we're just gonna bolt it up like that and give it a shot. This one is in. Shake it out. First one is in, fully tight. Everything looks good. So I have no idea how low this one is. So we're just gonna send it, and then probably Sunday is when I adjust everything. Okay guys, here is the last one. We're getting it loose already. Just 2 more bolts and that's it. All right everyone, everything's out as you see. Check it out. We're adjusting it right now. We're trying to match it up. We got it?
Yeah.
Perfect. We're gonna match it up. This one's at 7 inches. Total length is actually 22 from the top to there. I want to do 20 and then maybe 15 later on. So yeah, we're gonna get this one on right now and let's see how it goes. And we're done. You see? So let's check out the fitment with no spacers. Damn.
Yo,
It's actually pretty flush.
Because it's still on the.
Yeah, I know. Wow, looks pretty good. All right, everyone, check it out. Here it is. This side is a bit lower by 1 inch, and this one is 2 inches low. So I'm gonna lower this one a little bit. And the front, I'm taking off the spacers tomorrow after work. So yeah, actually I'm off tomorrow. Actually Sunday. No, I'll actually screw that tomorrow.